Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited. I picked up two new palettes from the BH Cosmetics Birthstone collection. I'm going to make a playlist and link it below so that you can see the different reviews that I've done on these palettes. BH had a sale and I picked up these two palettes. I picked up another March palette because that one got taken. A family member saw it, wanted it, loved it, so that has since been replaced. It's one of my favorites. And I picked up a bag of brushes, and I believe that I got this for maybe $12. Pay attention to the BH Cosmetics website. They have really good sales often, and their eyeshadow formula is wonderful. But I am having a lot of fun with these Birthstone palettes, and I wanted to put a look together with this one. Now, the June palette is new to me, and I've not done a look with this one, so stay tuned because I probably will. I have swatched them. They are gorgeous. If that is something that you want to see, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, you leave a comment so that I know that. But for today, we are going to, I have all of my face on, we are focusing on the eyes. I'm going to use some of these brushes, and we're going to do a look with this palette. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, just keep watching. I just opened all the brushes, took them out of their plastic wrap, except for one. And this is what they look like. They look absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a full, complete set. This looks like for foundation, or you could stipple on a liquid blush with it. This looks like a stipple brush. We've got bronzer, we've got powder, we've got all kinds of great brushes. This bigger one I would probably use for concealer, to pat in my concealer. But here are our eye brushes, and the ones that I am most interested in are the smaller ones. I like the smaller tipped eye brushes, so we're going to play with these. This one I'd use for blending, maybe this one underneath. This one looks like it would be good for the glitter shades. We're going to try to use all of these. So the Sapphire palette. Where are my September babies? If you are a September baby, make sure you comment below. Here are the colors. I will swatch them for you. This is Sapphire, which is the main color, the biggest color in the palette. Next we have Confidence, which is a beautiful green. Cool, and that one looks stunning. Next we have Organized AF. Is that you? Looks to be this is a very odd color. It looks kind of gray, it looks kind of green. I'm trying to look in the light. Very nice, but to deepen that outer corner. For the second row, we have, the first one we have is it looks like a shimmer silver called Sporty. There is Sporty. Next is Sympathetic, which really looks very purple blue. There's Sympathetic. And then the last one is Nice as Pie, and it is a glitter. So there is Nice as Pie. I'm excited. I think what I'm gonna do is use this Confidence, this green, in my crease. So I'm gonna take this smallest brush here. It is labeled 11. And we're just going to go in. I like how precise this brush is. That is gorgeous. Just going to leave that there for now and start building around it. I'm going to go in with this one. This one is a flat brush and it is labeled number 6. And I'm going to go in with some of that Sympathetic, which is that really bright color right here. where are we going to go with that? I'm going to go right above that green with Sympathetic. I'm using a very light hand. I'm going to go in with this very small brush. This is the number 10, and we're going to go into that Organized AF and see if we can use this brush to build up that outer corner. And I'm basically just stamping it on. We can get that precision, which I like. Worked out great. Looks good. Dirtying up my pretty brushes. Let's blend that top edge a little bit with one of the bigger brushes. This is the number 8. They feel super soft. This is my first experience with BH brushes. Heard good things about them, and yes, they are nice. I want to go in with a shimmer, so maybe we should go in with Sapphire. Let's go in with the Birthstone color. This is the color that the whole palette is sort of the star of the show, and I'm going to go right on the lid with that, and I forgot to use the brush. That's all right, we'll use that special lid brush for the inner corner. Wow, they were not playing. That is stunning. I love that that's the biggest shade. Because you could just go all over the lid with that, blend it out with the green or with your bronzer shade, and it would look gorgeous. They feel so nice to the touch. Absolutely gorgeous. I do want to strengthen that green in the crease, so I'm going to go back in with confidence here on the original brush that I used for the green, which was the number 11. I'm just going to go right back into that deepest part of the crease. Then we'll blend that outer corner again with the bigger fluffy blend with the bigger fluffy brush. We have a nice smooth. So what have we not used? We haven't used that silver glitter, which is gorgeous. We haven't used this bright blue. So maybe we'll go underneath with this one. I'm going to clean off this brush, which is the one that I used for my Organized AF. And we're going to see how that one works on the bottom lash line. It is a shimmer, so I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of setting spray. I'm in love with this palette. This is beautiful. Goodness. I hope the camera is doing it justice because it is so bright and so beautiful. Yes. I'm going to take this one right here, this brush right here, which is the number 7, and I'm going to go in with the silver, which is called Sporty. And we're going to put this right in the center area. No, that didn't wow me. Let's see if we can use our finger. I stand by the fact that shimmers always perform better. Shimmers and glitters always perform better with your finger. Yes. And I'm sure that shade is stunning on its own. I'm just making it a slightly different shade on top of that sapphire shade. But I love it. And then this pink one, do we have a space for this one? It is Nice as Pie, and it is a glitter. So I'm just gonna go over very lightly the entire lid. Hopefully it's not all over my face for the rest of the day. Some people don't like these types of glitters. I do. Wow. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put liner and lashes on and I'll be right back for the finished look. I am back. I threw some liner on. I just picked up a new BH Power Pencil in the black shade and in the cream shade. I have the cream in the bottom waterline, the black on the top, the outer edge. I love these pencils. I do also recommend those if you are shopping the BH Cosmetics website. I just threw some Ardel magnetic wispy accents that are on the edges there, just to add a little more drama. I must say, I'm so very, very pleased with this palette. The colors go on like butter. They blend super easily. This might be my favorite. I don't know. At the end of the year or in January, I'm gonna have to go through, let you know what palettes I got and rank them. But I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. Tell me what you think about the look. I tried to use every color in it. I did take a little bit of that silver and put it on the inner corners. So if you didn't figure it out, I give it 2 big fat thumbs up. Love the September palette. Again, if you want to see a look with the June palette, I just couldn't pass it up because it was on sale. And this is one that I had been on the fence on, and I just think the colors are gorgeous. Let me know about that one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before you leave. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Of course, leave me a comment so that I know that you were here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day, and happy birthday, September babies.